everyone. Told you we were coming back to fish with Captain K1. We're heading back out in the Gulf of Alaska right now. Fly rods. Going after some big fish. See if we can get some world records here. We're going to go target lingcod right off the bat. Let's roll.
Carl, I'm hooking up a halibut rig, but actually Cody Boy's going to use it to try to catch a world record lingcod.
That's a big fish. Yeah. There's your record, baby. There's your record. 45 pounder?
70. Exactly. Been fishing almost my whole life.
How long?
Long time. Hunting and fishing both. All over the world.
Hey, I'm Cody Seagraves. Born and raised in Alaska and Florida, between both states. Spent most of my life traveling the world, hunting and fishing with my father, Jim Seagraves, world-renowned hunting and fishing guide.
This is a great lingcod fly. We love the green. Got a little stinger red on there for blood. Nice sharp hook. Big eyes. Got like a Google eye green on it. Fish out! Woo! Fly riding it on the Gulf of Alaska. Man, look at this monster out here, Jurassic Park. Fish hard, die free, Alaska, the last frontier. We're out in the Gulf of Alaska here, fishing some untouched waters that nobody ever goes to. I'm not going to tell you where we're at, we're way out in the Gulf of Alaska. Well, I just busted off 30-pound tippet. Must have had a monster halibut on there. I bent my rod right over. Snapped a 30-pound tippet off. Anyway, got her back in, re-rigged it, loop to loop with my butt leader. Got a 50-pound butt leader on here. I'm gonna go back with 30-pound tippet again and try to get me a big butt.
I saw Alaska Man on television many years ago, and always looking for good places to fish. And Alaska Man had the places that I needed to go and visit. So we actually, though, ran into each other by accident in a fishing lodge, Orca Lodge in Cordova. Geez, I don't know, 15 years ago.
Yeah. Maybe. Been fishing together for 15?
More than that, because he was a lot younger than that. Anyway, we've been on many, many adventures together. Many. Caught some tremendous fish together. All of mine on fly. Used to.
Yeah. Fish on, baby. Silver salmon on the fly. We've got a halibut on one rod. The silver swam up. Swallowed the fly right here behind the boat. Yes, baby.
George told me about this place in the Gulf of Alaska. It was in, I don't know, 500-600 feet of water, but peaks came up within 80 feet of the surface. So we tried for 4 years so the weather would allow us out there. And we caught the biggest halibut ever caught on fly, 138 pounds. I bet, plus numerous other big fish. It was a one-shot deal, but what an experience. Well, the pictures of the world record, we had to buy a digital scale. I had it certified by the state of Alaska. So we put the scale on the backhoe, hoisted the fish up, and probably the biggest fish. I don't know if it'll ever be broken. It might be, but I question that. It's a big fish on a 20-pound line, 138 pounds. These are flies that I invented over many years of trying to perfect a halibut fly. And it's the only place in the world you're ever going to see one. They work. This is what we set the world record on with George in Icy Bay a few years ago. That's it. Seagraves Halibut Special right there. Now, these are custom-made 18-weight combination fiberglass and graphite rods. You can't break them. I mean, I broke huge line with this, heavy line, but you cannot break these rods. That's why I have built. They have built in Miami by Biscayne Rods. The best for this stuff.
Here, there's no structure here.
Oh, woo! Fly riding it on the Gulf of Alaska. Captain K1 here. Montague Mafia crew here. Damn, look at this monster I just pulled in.
George, you want to
Damn, dude.
Cody, George is the scale right behind.
Look at that sucker.
Oh, so you see this lingcod?
That's what you call a Lingosaurus erectus out here. Jurassic Park, Gulf of Alaska. Fishing with Captain K1, Pro Fish Charters. Welcome aboard! Welcome aboard the mothership!
I'm a wanted man. I got blood on my hands. Do you understand? I'm a wanted man. I'm a wanted man. I'm a wanted man. Do you understand? I'm a wanted man.
What a spectacular day we had. Just pulling back into the Seward Boat Harbor here. It's one of the best days out on the Gulf of Alaska you could ever imagine. It's pretty much turned glassy out. Just had a great time. We actually broke the world record on lingcod, 12-pound tippet, 16-pound tippet, so it was really stoked.